Okay, the problem of gun control in the United States is a complex debate. We can see how the case of shootings in public places are more and more constant. In what in many cases leave a large number of wounded and homicide. The right of the people to own and bear arms is a central point of the discussion, with interpretation that vary widely. I would like to highlight 2 points of the discussion. On the one hand, there are the people who defend gun control. Shootings are concerned for first the normalization of gun violence. It is worrying how the news are more frequent and people are reside. Second, the lack of mm, political will. Political influence makes it difficult to implement gun laws. Third, the need for action. Nothing is done about it, and they see the use of guns as favorable. Any person with proper ID can go to an authorized place and purchase firearms because in the United States the Second Amendment allows that people have the right to keep and bear arms, and they see the real problem is when the gun market is accessible to all people in the United States without taking into account the history of problems. On the other hand, we find people like Trump defending his stance against gun control, arguing that is the not an effective solution and stressing in the importance of addressing mental health issues. He suggests that in fact shoes laws could have resulted in in higher higher number of victims as they would have prevented people from defending themselves. And he advocates that if people are violent, it is because of mental problems. The way I see it is that to end the problem of shooting on American soil, they should stop focusing on how to punish those who violate with guns and make prevention and control policies for the legal carrying of guns, focus of the mental health of gun carriers, creating total of partial bans according to the result of psychological and mental examination. Thanks.